and we're gonna change sounds. Are you ready? First one. What's my word?
Log.
Log. Beautiful. Oh. What's the next sound?
Good.
Very good. Now go ahead and let me ask you a question. Do you think you can stretch this out first instead of each sound?
Good.
Log. So see how we stretched it instead of each sound like this? Because that's getting us ready. It's like going over a bridge. If you go to a bridge to get to the other side, right? Well, that's the same with blending, okay? All right, let's try another one. Actually, I think I said we're gonna change sounds, but let's just do this. This is kind of fun. All right, oh, what do you see?
Trash can.
It's a can, just a can. We'll get to the word trash later, words like the letters like TR and SH. That's on its way too. Okay, so let's listen to the word can. It's the k at the beginning. And do you know? Yes, and you know what? There is a rule with that. K gets I and E, C gets the other three vowels.
Oh.
There we go. I'm like, it was on the tip of my tongue.
Done.
Okay.
You are totally done. Last one. Ready? So that's how we know whether to use a C or a K at the beginning.
Easy. K gets I and E, C gets
Oh, this is a net. Like to catch a butterfly. Yeah.
Next.
Good job.
Tricky.
Very good. Now it was a tricky T. Okay, now, without touching each letter, can you just stretch it out with my finger? Net. Blend it.
Next.
There you go. So that's what we're gonna do. We're just going to start stretching and skipping the individual. But that's very typical, actually. Okay, so that's right. So K gets I and E, C gets the other three. And there's a little anchor chart. It has a cat face.
Yeah.
And the vowels are the face.
I would love that because I never knew actually he confused it. K and
Yes,
C.
and then CK at the end of a one syllable short vowel word.
No.
That's
Pick. Yep.
Yep. And we don't always they don't have to memorize these rules. They start to recognize the patterns of it. But it's good for us to know because there's a Y to it, and that helps relieve the frustration of it. And I'm going to read the first sentence 3 times, okay? And then you're going to read it just like I read it. Are you ready? I'm going to point to the words this time. Okay, follow along. Sam has a fan. My turn again. Sam has a fan. My turn one more time. Sam has a van. Your turn.
Sam has a van.
Okay, do you see how you read it? That's the goal. Does that mean that we have to read like that right now? No. But that's what we're working to do. Then you're going to sound like the grown-ups when they read, right? Right now you're a new reader and you're doing just exactly what you're supposed to do. But your mom's job and my job is to help, and your teacher's job is to help you get to sound like a grown-up when you read. Yeah? Okay. Now I'm going to go ahead and have you stretch out the word just like we did on the rainbow chart. So we're not going to say each sound. We're going to stretch it out with my finger. Are you ready? And I think maybe we try the first one together. Are you ready? Sam. Sam. You want to try it or you want to work with me?
Yeah.
Okay, here we go. Are you ready? Has. Blend it. Has. You want to do it together again? Okay, here we go. Do you know the J? It goes J.
J. A.
J.
J.
Sam has Jane. Does that sound like something we know? No. So what do good readers do? Good readers make mistakes, yeah. What do? They go back and they read it again, and that's not a problem at all. So we go like this. Jam. Oh, Sam has jam. Does that make sense? Totally makes sense. And that, yes, that's the letters we see. All right, here we go. Sam has.
Sam.
Look at the beginning.
Yeah.
There you go. Air 5. That was an air 5. Very good. You caught on to air 5 very quickly. Okay, here we go. We're going to do the last sentence. Okay, not this last sentence. This is going to be our last sentence. Actually, we're going to do, let's see. Why don't we do, I think we're going to do, this is our last sentence. Just this one first sentence, and then we're going to be done with the reading. We're going to sort a couple of things, and then you're done. Okay? All right, here we go. Right here. Do you want me to start? Together. All right, here we go. Pam
Pam.
has
A hat.
You know, Pam does have a hat, but look at the letters. What letter do you see here?
Hat.
Okay,
Cat.
there you go. All right.
What's a cat?
A cap is the same as a hat. Yeah, it's just another word for cap. A lot of times we say that like mom's hat is more of a cap. It's a baseball cap. Yeah, shades of meaning is
What's a baseball cap?
what your mom has.
Oh.
And this, you know what, I'm going to tell you, if I see this, I think more of a hat, but they wanted us to practice these letters. Okay? All right, that's why it's a good thing not to use the pictures too much. We want to pay attention to the letters.